The multifunction butane torch is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of purposes, such as soldering, welding, and brazing. It is powered by butane gas, which is easy to refill, and it has a compact design that makes it easy to use and store. One of the main advantages of this product is its versatility. It comes with various attachments that can be used for different tasks, such as a soldering tip, a hot air blower, and a flame tip. This makes it a useful tool for a wide range of applications, from DIY projects to professional repairs. Another advantage of this product is its portability. Since it is powered by butane gas, it does not require an electrical outlet or a cord, which makes it easy to use in different locations. Additionally, its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to carry around and store in a toolbox or a backpack. However, there are also some potential drawbacks to consider. For example, since it is powered by butane gas, it may not be as powerful as other types of torches that use electricity or other fuels. Additionally, it may require some practice to learn how to use it effectively, especially if you are not familiar with using torches. Overall, the multifunction butane torch is a versatile and portable tool that can be useful for a variety of tasks. However, it may not be suitable for heavy-duty applications or for users who require a lot of power and precision.